Hello, welcome back. I'm so happy you are here. My name is Melina and today I'm going to create 3 artist trading cards. And I start with a piece of paper that is 3 times the size of an artist trading card. So this piece of paper is 3.5 by 7.5 inch. And there was already some paint on there. I use papers to clean my brayer, brushes, mop up paint from my palette. So I always have a colorful paper to start work on. And I use the junction mask and add some white gesso, and here I use the funky leaves. I add paint to the mask, spray some water and then stamp with the mask on top. I use the white gesso and a palette knife to push back the first layers of the background. I use a matte medium and collage pieces of yellow printed deli paper. I use the teal multi-surface paint and add some water and then spray water to make the paint run around and create another layer on my background. The first multi-surface paint I used when I stamped with the mask was the ocean. These 2 colors are my favorite and I use them a lot. Now I have some paper, under paper on my table. I have used them to brayer off paint when jelly printing, and I just tear pieces of paper that I like the colors on and punch a circle and then just cut rings of these papers and glue them down again using a matte medium. I add more detail and the contrast using a black and a white Posca pen to make the background more interesting. I use the bird from my Arty Poppies stamp set and stamp 3 times onto a yellow printed background paper and cut them out. I glue the birds down using the matte medium again, and then I want to add some more weight to the circles the birds are standing on by adding more shading. And I use a black Posca pen and then a wet paintbrush and just move the paint while it's still wet. I choose words to go with my ATCs from the stamp set, lots of words. I add the last details using a yellow Posca pen, and that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe if you did. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back on the channel soon again. Bye bye!